Going to take off an Ebike front hub motor just using sort of travel tools that you might have with you. So you're generally going to have to cut some cable ties. I would replace those with Velcro, so you don't have to do that next time. There's various types of connectors. That's the easy one, but there's other types. You need a spanner. A front hub motor is 19mm, but again, just using travel tools, the adjustable spanner, if it's small enough, can do it. It can do the rear motor as well. Make sure you put that back on when you're done. And on front hub motors, you're generally going to find some kind of torque arm, which will require an Allen key to take off. This one's been modified for this bike. On a factory bike, it wouldn't be quite as visible, but it'll still be there. Okay. And then you sort of shake it loose, and out it comes. Well done.